a little rough today, but let's see what we can do. Got my pole in. Second pole's over there. Show you some of this water. And now, go walk the beach and pick up trash. So, and pick up this, pick up some of this, pick up that. All this junk from everybody out here partying and shit. Alright, little garbage duty for the irresponsible people. There you go. Pick up some of that. Just pick up your trash, people. Come on. It's not that hard. I hate having to do it for you, but I will. Please, ocean, bless me with some crabs. Look at that. 2 minutes, I got a whole handful of garbage. Alright, catch you back. Alright, this little girl just picked it up by hand on the shore. Small. And she's got one little claw that already grew back. Trying to break off, and it's typical for them to grow back. So hopefully I can get a bigger one that'll happen to come onto the shore. But now, this one goes back. A little after 8 and the water's bubbling, so you know what that means. Keep her back. Woohoo, let's go. The homemade crab snare, got a piece of squid inside, got some trimmer line, snares, and a little weight at the bottom. Cast it out as far as you can. That's the ticket, really. And wait 10 minutes, 5 to 10, yank on it. Hope you got a crab. Let's go. That's how it's done. Number 2, about 9 o'clock. Go. Today, share your little secret. Alright, recap. Today, I'm going to share a little secret with you. Procure crab and shrimp attractant. Some people overlook the simple stuff. Little extra cent, never hurt nobody. So go ahead and get a bottle of this. It lasts forever. It's like 10 bucks. I like use it to squirt it on my squid. I prefer squid. It doesn't get chewed up that quick, and crabs love it, so why fight it? Alright. Woo! Waves are rough today. Current is kicking the snare all over the ocean. Woo! It's hard to stand out here. Damn. Surfers out there. Woo! And don't forget your sunglasses like I did. Sun comes out, then you're blinded by the light. So here's a little trick for you. When you're casting out, you open your veil, sometimes it'll close on you, and then boom, rips the snare off. So when you open it, take a rubber band, tie it to your handle. That way, it ensures it stays open, so when you cast out super hard, this will guarantee to be open, and it won't close and boom, rip your snare off. There you go. So I like to put a little bubble box inside your bucket with crabs, keeps them aerated so they stay alive, happy and fresh. Fishing cart, Costco, $69.99. Super clutch. These tires go over the sand perfectly. All right, 2 keepers for the day. Rubber band those claws so they don't beat each other up. Ocean Beach is still giving.